Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Any Media Queen. It's been so long and I totally know that. I'm so sorry guys. I'm gonna do a small product review. That's iPhone 5C that I got it. I got it like on eBay and I bought it like brand new. Okay, you must be wondering that you used to see the big phone in my hand. Why I am having a 5C. And sorry for the burps. Well, I have an iPhone 5C because I'm obsessed, kind of. I fall in love with, it was a love on first sight with iPhone 12 Pro Max, especially the gold one. I love that phone, so I'm trying to save the money. And so what I did is I have sold my phone and I got this phone for like $108, which is pretty cool. But it's not too much GB, it's like 32 GB. But you know what? It's gonna do the job done. As long as I can text and call, I'm pretty good. So let's start the opening. Thank you. Packing so far is really good. I opened that priority mail bag and I got this. Like I cut it the top off. And not only that, I bought a case and I bought a screen protector. I'm gonna let you guys know that as well. See, this is my opinion that when you purchase phone, it doesn't matter like what kind of phone you're getting it. Try to order a screen protector and I would say a case on the very same day. So budget yourself. Like for example, if you only have $150, right? So you don't want to get a phone that you'll spend like, let's say you spend like 140 and some tax on the phone, and let's say you spend all your money on the phone. Okay, you got the phone and then what you're going to do it, like if that accidentally fell down and you have not purchased that phone from the Apple or yours, whatever your carrier is, you don't have any protection unless you buy the protection. If you buy from eBay, I have not purchased the protection, but you have no protection and the phone fell down and the screen break, boom, guess what? Your 150 goes downhill, because that is you who chose not to protect your device. This is totally you who have not taken care of the device when you have received it. Because I'm pretty sure people who sell things on eBay or on Amazon, they do have a way to record, like you can, like you can record a video when you're shipping stuff. I need to do that by the way as well. But anyways, this is the phone, and let's open it. And I'm trying to do it from one hand, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job. It looks a lot like you guys know iPod, right? Apple iPod. That's how it looks like. I don't know which generation is it, maybe third or fourth, but that's what it is. And give me one moment, guys. I have a wrapper. We don't want to eat wrapper. And guys, I'll be right back. So back on the video, this is the phone that I got. It's definitely packed. It's in a good condition. Oh, cool! It has a headset jack. That is a relief because I missed it. I loved one thing I really love about the old iPhones is their home button. And yeah, you guys gonna consider that this is kind of weird, but seriously. And I'm pretty sure that I'm not the only one. So the home button and plus this that you can plug in your headphone and you can hear the music. I love that thing. So let's just start opening it. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Back to the video. This is the phone. It's 32 GB and it's 5C. It's nicely packed. Obviously, this is just a sticker or something. So let me open it and come back. Back to the video. Not bad at all. Look at this, guys. Like when you get the phone, it is usually 1 second. With one hand is really hard to do it. So when you get basically a phone, you have. Let me show you guys how you get it. Okay. So you open the box, right? This is the box. You open it, then this is the phone. Okay, and I would say not bad at all. I really like it. And ta-da! Check it out, this beautiful baby. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this. So pretty. And this is so pretty too. Thank you guys. That's what it is. And basically you also get the pin, you know, to eject the SIM card or put the SIM card in. That's on the back. It's hello, the small booklet. It's really beautiful. And this is the phone. And give me a moment. Let me just. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. So this comes out like that. And where's the power button, guys? There's a SIM, as usual as it is on the back. And then you start the device. So enjoy this video, and I'm gonna do another video that will be a, I would not say continuous version of this, but it will be related to the apps and stuff. I'm gonna tell you guys some about some of the cool apps. So yeah, I said no tips, SIM card install, and we understand that. So I'm going to I'm gonna put my SIM card inside, so I'll be right back. Okay, hold on for a second. Enter the SIM card and it's gonna say no service, and that makes total sense. So let's start setting up the phone. United States, and I'm going to be back. One moment, guys. I enter the passcode. It's going to say it may take a few minutes to activate your phone, iPhone. Because it should work, but I'm going to set up my phone as a new phone, and the reason is because it's not gonna be able to load everything. I don't know. Location services. Allow maps and other apps. Service like find my phone together. Okay, so I guess we will do that. One moment. So I did that. Go back, consider the new phone. And then it's gonna say move data from Android. So I don't know, I'm a little bit confused. Okay, I understand that, but the thing is, and I kind of need it. I don't know if I click on that, what's gonna happen. Okay, I have to enter that anyways, but my question and concern in this moment that do I have a choice to upload what I want and what actually, you know what, guys, I have extra GB that I'm paying for it. So yes, I'm gonna do that. One moment. I will not recommend this to you guys because let's say that um, so I got a code and I did this, but like I will not recommend you guys to, you know, on the 32 GB phone that you put like a lot of stuff on it unless you're paying extra for the storage, you know, for the iCloud storage. So we have to agree. As you can see that no service has changed into AT&T because I have AT&T service. I'm also going to do a review for you guys. Very soon I'm gonna have iPhone 12 Pro, so I'm gonna compare iPhone with this. And honestly, this phone looks pretty good. It's a good, nice backup phone, you know. So back to the video. I have actually was able to, like sign into my Apple ID, but it was telling me that no backup data available. Either I have a choice to restore from my iTunes or set it up as a new phone, new iPhone. So this was a little bit confusing. I click the back button and then I click next. So sorry for the glare, guys. You see this, guys? It's set up as a new iPhone, no backup available. What if I restore from iTunes? Is it doing anything, guys? Do you think it's gonna do anything? I don't know what I have to do. But okay, here we go. Move data from Android. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you can transfer your phone messages to iOS app on your Android device. Okay, I don't have that. So let's see. I don't have the Android with me though. See, I don't have that. So I cannot do this. So do you guys see any other option? You see iCloud backup, right? This one. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to sign in again to my iCloud, and let's see, because I have a iPad, right? So iPad data is backed up on that. That's not a problem. But the thing is, this is not the iPad. Yes. So whenever you do that, it gives you a code, and it asks your other device to allow that. So I allowed it through my iPad, and then I enter the code in my phone that I see on the iPad screen popped up, and hope it's gonna work. I mean, my pictures and videos, I guess, but I don't know. And I would actually like to do a backup, because the thing is, I want to restore from backup, because when I'm gonna go to the 12 Pro, then it's gonna be hard for me. And I think I did save that on iCloud, so yeah, that will work. That will definitely work. Updating iCloud setting. See, so it's gonna work, and we'll be right back. Asking me that what date of the backup you would like to do it. So this is iPad. This is the 11th. Oh God, I don't think so. I can update to that level. Oh shoot, show all backups. Oh God, I have to. Okay, I guess I can do this then. It's okay. We don't want to have only apps. I don't have a problem. I'll be right back. So this is the thing that makes you buy the, sorry, I'm gonna enter it again, that makes you buy the phone again, because if you cannot do the software update, you know. And also you guys know the 4G and 5G stuff. Well, 4G phones you can still use them. 5G is a new technology. So hold on for a second, guys. This is this is not my email, guys. So it is my son iPad for some reason, Ryan. So that's why it's giving me a hard time. I'll be right back, guys. I have to check something. Back, I find out kind of what I was doing wrong. So I'll be right back, guys. A moment. I don't even want to know, guys, that I want to do this. So what I'm gonna do is basically, guys, because my son iPad is gonna be different, and I don't want his app to pops up on mine. So is there any option here by any chance? Okay, so no, we don't want that. And I cannot do that either, because download the Move to S app on your Android OS. I don't have the phone with me. I'm gonna set up as sorry. I'm gonna set up as a new iPhone. I'm sorry, guys. And I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Okay. So enter the code. This is very disturbing, guys, but unfortunately. So once it's set up, I'll let you guys see. It says it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Till then, I can sip my mango tea. Mango tea, I got it from Taco Bell, and it's really good, guys. You should try that. Like, instead of having Coke or soda, I try to have that. Like, not more often, but sometimes, once in a week, I would say. Maybe once in every other week. And that's how it is, and it's lovely. Okay, let's do this. I'll be right back, guys, when you set it up. This help you getting done. Continue. I would choose don't share. Get started, guys. Ta-da! The phone is okay. When you voicemail, okay. Kind of set it up, guys. You have 33 message. Got it. And I don't know from where I got the 32 message, but okay. Anyways, I have to see that. Oh, it's on the messages. Okay. So thank you, guys. I hope you like my video. And then I got a pop notification that is Your number is being used now on iMessage and FaceTime as a new iPhone. All right, thank you so much, and I hope you like and enjoy the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me those questions in the comment section, and I'll answer it for you. Okay, but allow me some time. The reason I'm not making that many frequent videos is because my kids, both of my son, are doing virtual schooling from home, and it's not a piece of cake. I mean, heads off to those teachers. I salute them. Kids have so much energy. It's really hard to manage that, and they are in different grades. Like one is in the 5th and one is in the 2nd grade, so it's kind of not easy. Well, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. See you on the next video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Click on the like button, and don't forget to keep loving me, because I really need your love and support. And have a blessed and nice day. Love to all of you guys. Bye bye.